Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at this Lamicall car phone mount. As you can see here it is. It's got a metal ring for MagSafe. It also comes with a metal ring and a guide, so you can go ahead and attach this to your phone even if your phone doesn't have MagSafe. It comes with this wet and dry wipe. You want to go ahead and clean off the surface where you're going to attach it using the wet wipe, and then go ahead and use that dry wipe to dry it off. I already peeled off the film back here, but it's got the sticky surface. It's also got a suction. You just want to go ahead and stick this to wherever you want to adhere it to, like so. Make sure it's got it nice and firmly pressed. And you can go ahead and rotate this however you like to get your desired viewing angle. You can also rotate it right there. It's got a hinge right there. But once you stick it on, you want to go ahead and press this down for the vacuum lock. Now this thing's not going anywhere. You can go ahead and stick your phone on it. So right now my phone is mounted on it, super strong. I'm pressing the top, pressing the bottom, trying to move this thing around. It's not going anywhere. So you can get a great view of your phone and get like navigation directions, whatever you need. You could also, however, attach this to your windshield, basically using the same method. And again, you can pop that off and spin it around however you like. You can also remove it by lifting this tab down here, pulling it off, no residue left behind. Let's go ahead and try the windshield. Go ahead and stick it right there. I'd probably want that to be something like that. And then go ahead and lock it down. And now it's stuck on like so. So that's it. This is very versatile. It's got a lot of different angles. If you don't have a good place to really set your phone, lots of times you put it on an air vent mount, you can break your air vent. It also kind of just sags. This makes it super easy to hold your phone firmly. Overall, I highly recommend this Lamicall car phone mount. Thanks for watching.